Today, we're talking about ditching the mirror columns. With Monday.com's workflow feature, you can now sync data between boards without relying on mirror columns. This is especially helpful when you only want to sync certain items across boards. Before, you needed two columns mirrored from a connect item, and everything else was really static. Now, with workflows, one column can rule them all. In our example, we're connecting campaign items across boards. Here's one that isn't linked. I'll create a campaign, and the automation kicks in. Now, when I update the status or the due date on the main board, those changes reflect instantly on the linked board. No mirror columns, no duplicates. Here's how we built it. The workflow triggers when a new status changes. It pulls the new value, finds the connected item, and updates the matching status on the other board. We repeat the same logic for date changes. You can repeat this pattern for any column, such as text, number, priorities, you name it. Workflows gives you the flexibility that mirror columns could never. This is how we turn messy boards into clean, scalable systems. If you're ready to upgrade how your team syncs boards in Monday, book a free discovery call with the link below. We'll show you how to build powerful, scalable workflows without the clutter. Thanks for watching.